Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Study. I am Rahul and today we are diving into a SwiftUI mystery. Why does not onAppear get called when your app comes back from the background? If you have ever expected onAppear to trigger when your app returns to the foreground and it did not, you are not alone. Let's break it down, understand why, and learn how to fix it. So let's start with the basic SwiftUI view using .onAppear. In this we will print the onAppear method. So let's check this. As you can see, this prints the onAppear called text to the console when the view first appears. So far so good. Now watch what happens when I put the app in the background and return to it. I put this app in the background and now I open this app again. Nothing happens. .onAppear is not called again. Why? Because .onAppear is only triggered when the view appears in the view hierarchy, not when the app moves and switches between the background and foreground. Here's the proper way to handle app lifecycle changes in SwiftUI. So we have to use the environment object here. In with this we have to use scene face. Now we have to add .onChange. In this we will add the scene face. If new value is equal to active, then it means app move to foreground. Else if new value equal background, it means app move to background. Now when your app moves back to the foreground, you will see app move to foreground printed in the console. As the same, when your app moves to background, then app move to background text will appear within the console. Let's see. Now I put this app in the background. You can see app move to background text will appear here. Now when I open this app again, you can see app move to foreground text appear in the console. So the problem is solved now. You can also use the notification center if you prefer or need more granular control. Let's see how you can achieve this. You have to use on this within the publisher. You have to add notification center see how this works. Let me put this app in the background and again open this. You can see I have moved to foreground using notification center. Text is appearing within the console. So this approach is great if you are working with UIKit integrations or need compatibility across different Swift versions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Swift and iOS tips. And if you want to see more real-world Swift UI topics like this, drop a comment below with your suggestions. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul signing off from Creative Studies. See you in the next one. Thank you.